These are the Lovesick. They are actually a brand new style, so jump on. We'll leave the link in the description for you guys to purchase these. But if you have a look what they've added. Be mine. So if you've got a loved one, they're good to get. Go grab yourself a pair of these and send it to them. They are the new Lovesick. Hi everyone, it's Katie here with She's of Hollywood. I'm doing some more reviews for you today, and they are pleasers. See the little red box with the butterflies? Now I love red as well, so you guys can see I've got a nice little red top on, and I thought they would match perfect with these shoes because guess what they're called? They are actually Lovesick. You can see there's a little code. This is a brand new style. I've never ever done these. I've not actually even seen them yet, so we're going to be seeing them for the first time together. And they are a 7-inch. That's all I know so far. Now, they open up. Ooh. Oh, they're cute. What do you guys think? So it looks like you just got some ribbon tied into the back. So they're very similar style. It's quite like a point it comes to there, you can see. With a clear top. I think it's nice. I like clear top though, so I think that's a really good combination. Very nice. Soft here. You can see that it's nice and squishy. And grippy bottom. No falling over for me, thank you. These are the baby heels. And then we've got the second one as well. In a little cloth bag, and then a little bit of packaging just here. And then they undo, I assume like this, with that little clip. I like how they've got this ribbon around the ankle strap as well. It's very cute. Wonder how they all feel. And they slide on, I assume, just like this. And they do up. Move my jeans out the way. But, oh, that's a bit tight actually. Maybe they're a little bit smaller fitting on the ankle strap, which is fine by me. Because normally I'm on the tightest one I could possibly do. And I'll just put that in just like that. Oh, they're kind of cute. I like it. And then I'll do the second one as well. Pull this one through. Perfect. Easy enough to put on there. And then the other side I only had on like the second clip, so I might just do the same for this side. 1, 2. Maybe a little bit more. Sometimes when they're new they're a little bit harder. You can see it there, but there we go. And there is the Lovesick. Oh, they feel different. Do they look nice from the back? Oh, they do. Look at that. Quite cute. I feel very girly wearing them. A little bit lovesick, you know. Might take you for one more walk before we go outside. It's a beautiful day. I like the red on the top, it's quite cute. It's like a little strap, but it's not because it's a clear upper. Oh, it is so bright out here. I should have brought my sunnies. Almost can't see you guys over there. Look at the wind, nice breeze. What do you think? I feel like you could wear these out to maybe a dinner or an event if you've got a red dress. I think that'd be cute. Or like me with a pair of jeans, a red top. I think that'd be nice combos. Aircon. Now guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Click on the little bell in the corner to be notified every time we post a new video. And they undo just like that. And then the other one will be exactly the same. And there we are guys, they're the Lovesick. Let us know what you think. Bye.